G'day guys, come down to Pound Bend today in Warrandyte. So in 1870 they decided they're going to divert the course of the Yarra, and what they did is they created this tunnel and a dam. So take you up to where the tunnel is. Just got to watch me step here, otherwise I'll end up in the water. I'm hoping you can see the light on the other end there. So they dug that tunnel out, created a dam to do some alluvial gold prospecting, but unfortunately just to maintain this dam was costing too much money, and they weren't getting the returns that they wanted. So what they did was obviously gave up and liquidated the company. I'll see, I haven't actually been here before myself, so what I'll do is I'll stop this now and I'll walk up to the other side and have a look and see what we can see from the other end of the tunnel. Alright, got to the other side. Not going to be able to see much from here. I'd actually have to go to another reserve on the other side of the Yarra to get to it. So yeah, so this is the entrance of it, as best as I can show you guys. And now I've got the fun journey of making it right up there again. So at some stage some stairs have been built here, but they haven't been maintained and or replaced, I should say. So obviously at some stage this was a trail to walk down. Not anymore. I'll see if I can get to the other side, and then I can go across the river and show you the entrance and probably get the best view from there. Alright, here we go. Nice little hike up this mountain. Alright, made it to the other side. Try and get somewhere. Actually, when I was just a little bit higher, only a few meters, I actually couldn't see through this thing. I'll zoom in and we'll have a look. There you go. Pound Bend Tunnel. Now, I'll zoom back out. You can see how small this tunnel is. Wow. The width of it might be, at a guess, 5 meters. Okay? The opening there. Now, I'll zoom out. I'll show you the width of the Yarra. How they thought they were going to put a dam here and run it through there has got me surprised. And that's all hard rock there. All hard rock that they've dug through. So It would have been hard work in 1870. digging that through. I know they diverted the course up the road at Anderson's Bend, and I've got a video about that, about the island, where I go out there and have a look around. I thought I'd come and have a look down here this time and yeah, show you Pound Bend for those that aren't in Australia. Something a bit different. Warrandyte was the first place they discovered gold in Victoria. So it's got a lot of history in that sense. Wasn't the richest goldfields, but there were still goldfields here. If you live locally or not too far away, it's worth coming out and having a bit of a look at these sort of things. More people that visit, the more Parks Victoria will spend on these places, keeping them maintained. But yeah, something a bit different again. Thought I'd start doing a few of these things where I go out and I just have a look at the local attractions and give people some ideas where they could bring the kids. I wouldn't go down that path that I climbed. It's a bit crazy just over there. You'll see it's sort of not really maintained. All that wood there that you can see in the centre of the screen's pretty much just sitting there. And all the stairs and everything like that have pretty much all rotted away. But, hope you're enjoying it. Until the next time, I'll see you all later.